Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity and Science, Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our unit is 1, chapter number 4, partial fraction. We have to revise in today's lecture form of the rational fraction and form of the partial fraction. That means you have to consult these function into partial fraction. Px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b, where a not equal to b. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b. Second, px plus q upon x minus a bracket square. So capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b bracket, x minus a bracket square. Next, px square plus qx plus r is there. Quadratic equation in numerator, but in denominator x minus a, x minus b and x minus c, three factors are there. Then we have to simplify these. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b plus capital C upon x minus c. Next one, px square plus qx plus r is there. And first function denominator format is x minus a bracket square. That is the fraction that is repeated. That is x minus b, a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a bracket square plus c upon x minus b. Next one, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x square plus bx plus c. This quadratic equation cannot factorize further. Then we have to apply capital A upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. X square plus bx plus c cannot be factorized means it not equal to 0 means it have no real root or factor. Then it is applicable there. Today's lecture we have to focus to these form of the rational function convert into partial fraction. So let us take the example based on the quadratic equation factor, irreducible factor. But before we have to consult with the factorization, so let us try the example based on which if 4x square plus 10x plus 9 is given, but x cube plus 6x square plus 9x given. Solution is what? We have to, have the degree 3. So it is quadratic? No. So it is polynomial. So we have to take x common. So 4x square plus 10x plus 9. If I take x common, then what is remaining? X square plus 6x plus 9. What is the factor of x square plus 6x plus 9? Yes, right. It is the exactly x plus 3 into x plus 3. That's why we directly write 4x square plus 10x plus 9 upon x plus 3 bracket square is equal to capital A upon x plus capital B upon x plus 3 plus capital C upon x plus 3 whole bracket square. Now, in this method, we have the repeated factor. That's why we have to solve this example by repeated factor. So, in exam, only they given find the partial fraction decomposition. Then we have to solve and simplify the denominator. Then it is depend on which method is applicable. So capital A upon x plus capital B upon x plus 3 plus capital C upon x plus 3 bracket square. Now we have to take the LCM x into x plus 3 bracket square. So what it is the LCM? So I multiply here, here and here. What is we have to multiply? In this procedure, we have consult this way in above examples. But here I introduced a new different method, x into x plus 3 bracket square in bracket 4x plus 10x plus 9 x into x plus 3 whole bracket square. So x into x plus 3 whole bracket square, capital A upon x plus capital B upon x plus 3 plus C upon x plus 3 whole bracket square. So 4x square plus 10x plus 9 is there. So here we take the x into x plus 3 here. So that's why we have to cancel the common term. X get cancelled. What is remaining? X plus 3 whole bracket square. x plus 3 1 get cancel, bx x plus 3. 1x get cancelled, so x plus 3 bracket square cancel. What is remaining? C into x. So 4x square plus 10x plus 9. Now we have to simplify. I repeat again. If we have not cancelled with the LCM, then we have to take x into x plus 3 bracket square multiply to both sides. Then what happened? These whole cancel. So it is remaining 4x square plus 10x plus 9. If it is the multiply to each and every term of the bracket, that's why xx get cancelled. X plus 3 bracket square is remaining. Then 1x plus 3 get cancelled. X into x plus 3. 1x plus 3 bracket square get cancelled. C into x. 4x square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to capital A x square plus 6x plus 9. B x into x square plus 3 into x. So 3bx and cx remain as the same. Now we have to equate the x square term which have the coefficient any constant or number. So ax square, then next one is bx square, yes, and the next one we have to compare 6x is there, 3bx is there and cx is there. So equating start, a plus b whole bracket into x square, then we have to take x common term, which are they? 6ax, 3bx and cx. So 6a plus 3b plus c bracket complete x plus 9a is any constant. Now 4x square plus 10x plus 9. Here 4x compare with the a plus x b bracket x square. So x square get cancelled. What is remaining? 4 is equal to a plus b. Next 10x is equal to 6a plus 3b plus c bracket raised to into x. So what is happened? Here xx get cancelled by comparing the what is the remaining? 10 is equal to 6a plus 3b plus c. Next one, 9 is equal to 9a. Now 9 is equal to 9a, 9 ones are 9. So that's why we have to derive a value is 1. Then we have to put a is equal to 1 in this equation. So 4 is equal to 1 plus b. 1 goes this side, so 3 is equal to b. Now we have to put a, b in this expression. We derive the final value of c is equal to minus 5. How? Suppose a is 1, it is 6, b is 3. 9 plus 6, obviously how much? It is 15. Then 15 goes this side, 10 minus 15 gives value minus 5. So c is equal to minus 5. Next one, we have to put the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5 in the equation 1. So we derive a upon x plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 3 bracket square. Then we have to put the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c equal to minus 5 in this equation. We derive the final answer 4x square plus 10x plus 9 upon x in bracket x plus 3 whole bracket square is equal to 1 upon x plus 3 upon x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 plus minus 5 upon x plus 3 bracket square is equal to 1 upon x plus 3 upon x plus 3 minus if we multiply middle. So it is minus 5 upon x plus 3 bracket square. Easy trick is that if polynomial is given, we have to compulsory take x common, then reduce in a quadratic form, then we have to get the repeated factor or non-repeated factor, then we have to convert, suppose it is in a repeated factor, the first factor upon non-repeated factor, b upon x plus 3 plus c upon x plus 3 bracket square. Then we have to take this is as a LCM, multiply both sides, common term get cancelled. Then here what is the happen? We have to equate the terms. It is also possible. Previous example, we compare a and b and c. We have to put the value of x equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, then x equal to plus 3. So it is also easy method to solve the partial fraction. Then we compare the common coefficient of x square, then common coefficient of x and the constant. What's happened? 4x square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to a plus b bracket x square plus 6a plus 3b plus c bracket x plus 9a. Then we have to compare x square with x square get cancelled, 4 is equal to a plus b. Next 10x is equal to 6a plus 3b plus c bracket x get cancelled, 10 is equal to 6a plus 3b plus c. Next 9 is equal to 9a. First, we have to simplify the 9 is equal to 9a because the calculation is simple because 9 goes side, a is equal to 1. Then we have to put in these equations, so we derive b. Then a, b we have to put here, then we derive the constant value of c. So in this way, we have to solve the partial fraction decomposition. If you does not know, it is factorized, defactorized or repeated. So simple quadratic equation, that is the quadratic factor. Consider first case. A rational function of the type px upon qx, degree of p less than degree of q. Assume the denominator qx has quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c. Second condition is what? Partial fraction decomposition case number second. The quadratic equation factor, that is ax square plus bx plus c, of the denominator leads to term of the type ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c in the partial fraction decomposition. I previously say about the slide that px square plus qx plus r and in a denominator x minus a or x square plus bx plus c is given. Where these quadratic equation does not have factor, then we have to apply the method of irreducible factor. So what is the procedure? Rule number 3. When the denominator has irreducible quadratic linear factors, step number 1, px upon ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c, capital A upon ax plus b plus bx plus c upon ax square plus bx plus c. Observe that ax square plus bx plus c not equal to 0. Step number 2, we have to take this as a cross multiplication. Then we have to cancel the common term. Px remain as the same. Capital A into ax square plus bx plus c plus bx plus c into ax plus b. It is equation number 2. Put the ax plus b is equal to 0. That means x equal to minus b upon a in the equation 2. To both sides derive the value of a. Step number 4. Put x equal to 0 in equation number 2. To both sides derive value of c. Step number 5. Put x equal to b upon a in equation 2 to both sides to derive value of b. So in this way we have to solve. The main thing is that first we have to put the non-repeated factor equal to 0. Then we have to compulsory put x equal to 0. Then we have to put the next is, if we put minus, then we have to put the plus factor in that quadratic equation. So let us take example. Example, base on denominator has irreducible quadratic linear factors 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 x square plus 1. Now solution, I compare 2x square plus 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1, where x plus square plus 1 have no factors. That's why a upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. We have to take the cross multiplication. Common term get cancelled. 2x plus 1 is remaining. Then a into x square plus 1 plus bracket is important, bx plus c into x plus 1. Now we have to put x plus 1 equal to 0 because this is the non-repeated factor. Then x equal to minus 1 in equation 2. We have 2 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a in bracket minus 1 plus 1 bracket complete plus b in bracket, this one is x plus c. But here we have to put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 become plus, it is 0. So we derive the value of here x is 0. So that's why minus 1 is equal to a in bracket 2. So a is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then we have to put x 2 into 0 plus 1 is equal to a 0 bracket square plus b into 0 plus c 0 plus 1. Then 1 is equal to a into 1 plus c into 1. 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Minus 1 upon 2 goes this side. 1 upon 1 plus 2 is equal to c. 3 upon 2 is equal to c. Next we have to put x equal to 1. A is equal to minus 1 upon 2. We have to put c is equal to 3 by 2. So what is we have to derive? Simplify. So when the x have the value 1 to left hand side and both right hand side, we have to put x equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. Capital A 1 plus 1, that is obviously 2. B into 1 plus c and 1 plus 1 2. So now we have to 1 square is 1. That's why 1 plus 1 is 2. But here 2 is multiply whole the bracket 2b into 2c. Now 2a is there. Now we have to put a is equal to minus 1 upon 2. C is equal to 3 by 2.